Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you're looking for a quick and simple upgrade to the look of your second gen Tacoma, then this grill by Ecqizer is a great fit. Compared to the factory grill on my 2013 Tacoma, I really like the debadged look that this grill brings, along with the matte black honeycomb style grill. This grill is designed to fit 2012 to 2015 model years, and it fit great on my 2013. The orange LEDs are integrated into the look, rather than just looking like an afterthought. It comes with a wiring harness that has waterproof connectors for each of the LEDs and bare wires on the other end to match whatever wiring setup you prefer. You can hook them up by themselves or with the parking lights, which I think was my favorite look. Of course, they're going to stay on with the headlights too, unless you have a dedicated switch. So again, here is a before with the factory grill and after with the grill upgrade. While I had the grill off, I also cleaned my headlights and trim so the look was complete. You can also paint the grill trim if you're not going for a blackout look like I am. Installation was easy with just a couple bolts and 4 trim clips to remove before popping it straight out. There's 2 clips on the top and 2 on the bottom, and then you just pop it straight out. I think it looks great day or night, and even with the LEDs off, it has a strong look. So when it comes to customizing the look of your Tacoma, I think this grill by Ecqizer is a quick and easy upgrade that immediately makes it look better. And that's my point of view.